Okay? Sensuality. Sing this song like the way Chris would sing it with sensuality. Sing this song as if you are seducing a man.
Ooh.
Okay? Kaya?
Ito yung stopwatch.
Okay, ready? Chris? Okay. Give me performance level, anak. Kaya mo yan. Okay, ready? Rolling tape. 5, 4, 3, 2,
the shadow of your smile when you are gone will color around my dreams in the dark. Look into my eyes, my love, and see all the lovely things you are to me. A wistful little star was far too high. A teardrop kissed your lips, and so did I. Now when I remember spring, all the joy of love can bring, I will be remembering the shadow of your smile. Do 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 do.
anak, panoorin mo. Dong, anak, tignan mo yung ano. Opo ka doon, tignan mo yung mga... Doon, opo ka sa sila mo, anak. Tignan mong maigi yung mga weak points mo sa camera, ha? Okay? Lalo-lalo na sa mata. Okay? May tendency kang mabalag. Okay? You know what's meant by balag? Oo, di ba yung isa dito, yung isang gustong baklaran, yung isang gusto Fairview. Okay? Okay? Okay. Roll natin, ha? Anak, tingnan mo.
Ay, pangit ko! Adik!
Ano raw? Adik daw.
Tatawain niya ako eh.
The shadow of your smile when you
Anak, tamo yung pag-opening bars o gumaganyan ka, perme, ha? Contacts ka ba? Nag-contacts ka? Ah, hindi. Bagay sa standards yung boses mo.
into my
Ano bagay yung boses mo sa standards mo lang sa gano'n? And cut! Is it sensual?
Parts. Sensual.
Yes?
Parts.
What went
May
wrong?
parts na nakuha niya yung feeling and then biglang bitaw. Maybe because of the lyrics. And the tune sa tune ng song.
Tune of the song.
Ano yan?
I think she was gasping for the tune of the song.
Apparently, hindi mo pa kamado yung kanta. Hindi mo kamado yung kanta at there are only certain points na sumasakay ka dun sa meaning ng lyrics to bring about the sensuality. Chris, you know where it is most betrayed?